up of mortar and stone walls and was cut into a rocky hillside. It was first uncovered in the 1880s by nuns at the Sisters of Nazareth convent, but it wasn't until 2006 that archaeologists led by Ken Dark, a professor at the University of Reading in the UK, dated the house to the 1st century and identified it as a place where people who lived centuries after Jesus' time believe Jesus was brought up there. Jesus is believed to have grown up in Nazareth. Archaeologists found that centuries after Jesus' time, the Byzantine Empire, which controlled Nazareth up until the 7th century, decorated the house with mosaics and constructed a church known as the Church of Nutrition over the house, protecting it. Crusaders who ventured into the Holy Land in the 12th century fixed up by the church after it fell into disrepair. This evidence suggests that both the Byzantines and Crusaders believed that this was the home where Jesus was raised.